Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mini Cooper fog light bulb. First, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your Mini Cooper is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. Always check your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type and wattage needed for your specific model. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's access the fog light. You'll need to carefully remove either the wheel arch liner or the grille cover, depending on your Mini Cooper model. Use your trim removal tool to avoid damaging any plastic clips. Once exposed, disconnect the electrical connector from the fog light housing. Then, unscrew or unclip the entire fog light assembly to gain full access to the bulb. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Gently twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it feels firmly seated and locked into place. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Reattach the fog light assembly to its mounting bracket and reconnect all electrical connectors. Make sure everything is snug and secure. Then, carefully replace the wheel arch liner or grille cover, ensuring all clips are properly engaged. Test your new fog light to confirm it's working correctly. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.